Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can look for a system update on your Nothing phone. For that, you want to swipe up, go to your settings and then scroll down to System. Then you want to click on System Update and then it will check for updates automatically and it says your system is up to date. But you can also check again manually, but it also says your system's up to date. If you have a system available for your phone, then you can click on it to get more information and then you can say to install it. Then your phone will restart itself. You need to remember your PIN for that because you need to unlock your SIM card again. And then your phone is back with the new system update installed. That might be some design changes or some smaller things you won't even notice. Depends on what the update is for. So that's how you look for system updates on your Nothing phone. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.